Hey everyone, Axiom Brevity here, bringing you a quick how to download videos off of Netflix in HD so you can view them offline. So first things first, you have to have a subscription to Netflix. That goes without being said. And you need to have the app. Doesn't matter if it's an iPad or a smartphone, but you need to have the app. So we'll go to the app. Now, you're going to want to hit the settings in top left and go all the way down to app settings. And you're going to go down to where it says download video quality. You're going to hit that. And it's going to be on standard for people who haven't done this. You want to put it at high. It's going to take more storage, so you might have to clear out some things, but you'll get definitely a better quality video if you do that. So once you set that to high, you hit the sidebar again, and you're going to go all the way up where it says available for download. So not everything is available, but whatever shows up on this tab is available for download. And all you do is click on whatever you need or whatever you like to see. Scroll down, look for that down arrow and hit that, and it'll start downloading, and you'll be able to watch whatever you want from Netflix right on your device without having to be online, which is a fantastic feature. So that's a quick how to download HD videos from Netflix so you can watch it online. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Check out my channel where we do tech reviews, electronic gear reviews, and just trying to save you some time, money, and a little bit of frustration. Have a good one.